So, same again with the forest hatchet. So put the blade on flat, and then we just tilt it till I'm at the edge, and then against the same thing. Now as you work, you'll get this like slurry appear on the tool. Don't wipe that off until you've finished, because that's actually helping polish and sharpen the metal. A bit more water. The other side now. So I'm testing the edge, just going across the blade, and I can feel where the bite is. That's coming up nicely. So I'm going to swap to the other side, the even smoother side now. And same as before, just wipe the other slurry first. I'm going on to the finer. That's fine. You have to take my word for that. I can feel that's really getting the bite now. So we'll go to the next stage. So now we can wipe the slurry off. So continuing on the forest axe, what the stone will have done, again I can't really show you because it's pretty much like a microscopic level here. It's like a mountain scape, think of it, and you get like this burr form on each side as the stone polishes. So what we want to do is we want to smooth that burr as smooth as we can. You know, I mean, ideally you want to get it to one atom on the edge, which should be a pretty damn sharp edge. And it's exactly the same thing again with the emery paper. I'm going to alternate this time. So just find that edge, just run along. This is going to be smoothing that burr down nicely. Sometimes with the wood carving tools, when you sort of feel they've lost their edge, all you need to do is actually just do this with the emery paper. You don't have to go back to the stones necessarily. It just depends how much you've been using it and the types of wood. Obviously some species of wood will blunt tools quicker than others, so it just all depends. And the emery also helps polish it. It's a very fine grit. So we flip the board again, the final stage now is to strop the edge. So I've got the leather here. You want to alternate about 50 times. And what this is doing is again just flattening off that edge, and it makes all the difference, believe it or not. You wouldn't think it does, but it does. I've lost count there, but you get the idea. Yeah, that's brilliant. That's pretty razor. So, the old paper trick. I'm only doing that for the demo. I don't normally do that when I sharpen the tools, because again, paper's quite blunting. Has quite a blunting effect. So, but just for the demo of the vid.